Hello guys, welcome to my presentation. I am Vinay Bharat from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE22CD061. The today's topic is what is binary tree and graph. Let's see what is binary tree. A binary tree is a hierarchical data structure with a unique starting point called the root, and it has a maximum of two children left and right. It is used to represent hierarchical relationships and is commonly employed in the computer science for various algorithms. Binary tree transversal. In this there are three types. First one is in order, second one is pre-order, and the third one is post-order. Let's see one by one. The first one is in order. In this traversal, the left subtree is visited first, followed by the root and then the right subtree. It is commonly used for expressing parsing. And the second one is pre-order. The root is visited first, then the left and right subtree. It's often used to create a copy of the tree. And the last one is post-order. In this traversal, the root node is visited last. It's useful in deleting a tree from memory. What is a graph? Graph definition. What is a graph? First one, graph definition, and second one is nodes and edges. Let's see one by one. The first one is graph definition. In computer science, a graph is an abstract data type representing a collection of nodes and edges. Nodes and edges. The nodes represent intents and the edges represent the relationships between the entire intents. Explaining the following terms of graph. Let's see one by one. The first one is directed graph, also known as a digraph. It is a graph which the edges have a different from one vertex to another. Second one is undirected graph. It is a graph in which the edges have specified direction between the verticals. And the third one is weighted graph, a graph in which a weight is assigned to each graph used to present a cost or a distance. Let's see adjacent matrix. First one, definition. A adjacent matrix is a square matrix used to represent a finite graph. The element indicate whether pair of verticals and adjustment or not in the graph. Let's see the conclusion. A clear understanding of binary graph theory and their associated terms in circular of developers and computer science students. These fundamental data structure and algorithms play a significant role in various application and problem solving scenarios. Thank you.